Here's a quick guide on how to monetize on YouTube. Sign into YouTube, create a channel, and customize it with a profile picture, banner, and description. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Monetization in the left-hand menu, and apply for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months to qualify. Connect your channel to a Google AdSense account to get paid. This involves providing payment details and verifying your account. Consistently upload engaging and high-quality videos that attract viewers and encourage them to subscribe and watch more of your content. Once approved for YPP, you can enable ads on your videos. Go to the Monetization tab in YouTube Studio, and choose the types of ads you want to display. Explore other revenue streams. Offer exclusive perks to paying subscribers. Earn money from viewers who pay to highlight their messages during live chats. Sell branded merchandise directly on your channel. Earn a share of the subscription fee from YouTube Premium members who watch your content. Use social media, collaborations, and other marketing strategies to grow your audience and increase views and subscribers. Regularly engage with your audience, analyze your performance in YouTube Analytics, and adapt your content strategy to maximize your revenue.